In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access privacy and security. Then click on location services, and to turn them on use gray switcher at the top. If you decided to disable them, tap on the same now green switcher and tap on your choice in the pop-up. So when I hit turn off, as you can see, location was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!